Let's see how to open a corrupt file. If you open a file and you are seeing this message, you click on repair, and in the show help it is showing you something like this. So what you can do, just simply open your PowerPoint, go to file, options, go to trust center, click on trust center settings, click on protected view, and check this checkbox enable protected view for files originating from the internet. Click on OK, and that's it. You are okay. You are ready to go. And if you now try it, you can able to open your file. Thank you.